Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fairly fine and enjoying your online studies. This is your teacher Rupinder with a new chapter from your English reader book. It's a poem and its name is Travel Plans, written by Bobby Katz. It's a wonderful poem in which the poet has shared his imagination with us, and he is also asking us about our travel plans. So let me have a look on the first stanza. The poet is asking us, if you could go anywhere, where would you go? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. If you could go anywhere that you could wish. The poet is asking us that what are our travel plans? If you could go anywhere means अगर हम कहीं पे भी जा पाएं, जाना चाहें, हमारे पास टाइम हो, वेकेशन हो, रिसोर्सेज हो, वेयर वुड यू गो? तो आप लोग कहाँ जाओगे? डीप इन द जंगल, डीप इन द स्नो, डीप इन द ocean to talk to a fish. What are your plans? Do you want to go to deep in the ocean to talk to a fish? If you could go anywhere, what you could wish? Is asking all about us ki what are our wish, where would we want to go for our holidays, and what are our travel plans. If I could go anywhere, here's what I'd wish. And poet is telling us that if he could go anywhere, if he is having plan and he is about to go anywhere, here's what I'd do. तो वो कह रहा है कि ये सारे मेरे प्लान्स हैं. इन नेक्स्ट स्टेंजर्स he'll disclose his plans to us. He's saying if I could go anywhere, here's what I do. तो वो क्या करेगा? If I could go anywhere, here's what I'd do. I'd pop in the pouch of kind kangaroo. I'd travel around for as long as I please. And I'd learn to say thank you in kangaroese. Some new words are here in this stanza. We will learn these new words side by side. So, what is he wishing? I'd pop in the pouch of a kind kangaroo. He want to go to the pocket of a kind kangaroo as the picture is showing. And he want to travel around. And he doesn't want to travel in a car or in a aeroplane, etc. He want to travel in the pouch of a kangaroo. And I travel around for as long as I please. Please mean happy. As long as mean जब तक मैं चाहूँ. I would travel around for as long as I please. जब तक मैं happy नहीं हो जाता, I would travel. And I'd learn to say thank you in kangaroese. Kangaroese mean language of kangaroo. He's saying that I also want to learn to say thank you. Thank you in kangaroese. Kangaroos की language में मैं thank you बोलना सीखना चाहता हूँ. This is the poet's travel plan. He is having so many more travel plans that are strange, but it's his own imagination. He wants to do all these things. In the next stanza, he is disclosing, I'd go through the hole of a needle like thread. Mean overall, we are observing that the poet wants to be so small. छोटा बनना चाहता है और छोटा बन के वो ये सारा कुछ करना चाहता है. I'd go through the hole of a needle like thread. जैसे एक नीडल में से थ्रेड निकलता है. कहता आई वॉन्ट टू गो थ्रू द नीडल, गो थ्रू द होल ऑफ द नीडल. मैं भी उस होल में से निकलना चाहता हूँ. एंड और क्या चाहता है वो? आइड स्पिन लाइक अ टॉप ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ माई हेड. जैसे टॉप स्पिन करता है, जस्ट लाइक in that way I want to spin on the top of my head. I'd skate on an ice cube. I'd swim in a glass. You want to do skating on an ice cube. आइस क्यूब पे स्केटिंग करना चाहता है, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू स्विम इन अ ग्लास. नेक्स्ट ही इज विशिंग I'd ride on a grasshopper if one should pass. He also want to ride on a grasshopper. All these things seems impossible, but it's poet's wish. उसकी ये wish है. In the picture, it's showing that just like the image is describing us, the poet also want to ride on a grasshopper. Grasshopper एक बहुत छोटा सा इंसेक्ट है, लेकिन poet की wish है कि वो उसके ऊपर बैठ के राइडिंग करना चाहता है. This is the poet's wish. And when I got tired of being so small, अभी in the earlier stanzas, he is wishing to be so small and want to do adventures. But now he is saying, and when I got tired of being so small, tired means थक जाना. जब कहता मैं I would got tired being so small, तो मैं क्या करूँगा? I'd abracadabra myself to be tall. Then I'll do magic on myself to be tall. अब कहता मैं फिर बहुत बड़ा बन जाऊँगा, मैं tall बन जाऊँगा. I'd step over seas, I'd step over oceans, I'd step over seas. बड़ा होके वो क्या करना चाहता है? वो कह रहा है कि बड़ा होके I'd step over oceans and I'd step over seas. Step means walk. You want to walk over the oceans and seas because he want to be tall this time. I'd cause a few shipwreck if I had to sneeze. कहता जब मैं स्नीज करूँ, स्नीज मीन जब मैं छींकूँ, इतना बड़ा हो जाऊँ, जस्ट लाइक अ जाइंट. इफ आई हैड टू स्नीज आईड कॉज अ फ्यू शिपरैक. तो उसकी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्नीज हो कि उससे शिपरैक हो जाए, शिप डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए उससे. दिस इज द पॉइंट्स wish because he want to be this time. He is wishing to be very tall. In next stanza, he is saying that I pat a giraffe on the top of his head. Pat means with hand when we touch anybody to say well done. That is called tap. He want to tap on giraffe's head because this time he is wishing to be so tall. अगर वो बड़ा हो जाएगा, जिराफ बहुत ही टॉल एक एनिमल है, बट द पोइट वांट टू बी टॉलर देन अ जिराफ, ताकि वो बड़ा होके उस जिराफ को टैप करे हेड के ऊपर. I'd find out for sure if the North Pole is dead. Our Earth has two poles, South Pole and North Pole. और पोइट चाहता है कि मैं इतना बड़ा हो जाऊं कि मैं वो देख सकूं कि इफ द नॉर्थ पोल ऑफ आर अर्थ इज रेड, यू वांट टू चेक द अर्थ ऑल्सो. एंड व्हेन आई हैड सीन ऑल व्हाट आई वांट टू सी, और जब वो कहता मेरी सारी विश पूरी हो जाएगी, मैं सब कुछ जो भी मैं देखना चाहता हूँ मैं देख लूँगा, मैं विजिट कर लूँगा, आई होप आई नो हाउ टू टर्न बैक इनटू मी. So then I want to come in the same size as I were in sometime before. He want to come back in his original size. This poem is written by Bobby Katz and it's a wonderful poem in which the poet has explained his imagination to us. You also try to write some words showing your imagination. I hope you got the poem. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.